Welcome tech enthusiasts and curious minds to our channel. Today we're diving into a world of groundbreaking inventions that are set to change our lives in ways we can only imagine. From revolutionary forest restoration devices to futuristic surgical robots, we've got an incredible lineup of innovations to explore. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below about which invention excites you the most. Forest restoration in hard-to-reach areas. Let's kick things off with an inspiring innovation from Carnegie Mellon University. With support from various organizations, they've developed a game-changing device designed to restore forests in areas that are hard to reach. Traditionally, seeds are scattered by air, but many don't take root because they stay on the surface, vulnerable to birds, sunlight, or freezing temperatures. Enter the wooden drill, a spiral-shaped tool that self-buries seeds into the soil after rain, ensuring they have a better chance to grow. This technology could transform how we reforest the planet, making it a must-watch innovation. Surgical robots. Next, let's delve into the medical field, where technology is literally saving lives. Sony has introduced a surgical robot capable of performing highly precise operations on blood vessels and nerves as thin as 0.04 inches. This robot can stitch micro-incisions with unparalleled accuracy, replicating a surgeon's movements, but without the risk of hand tremors. Imagine the future of surgery with robots like these, making procedures safer and more effective than ever before. It's truly a marvel of modern science. Solar-powered hydrogen production. Moving on to sustainable energy, scientists in California have developed a solar power plant that produces hydrogen, a clean fuel. This plant uses a high-temperature electrolyzer and a field of mirrors controlled by artificial intelligence. The mirrors focus sunlight to generate temperatures up to 1,000 degrees Celsius, which is then used to produce hydrogen. Not only does this save electricity costs, but it also makes hydrogen a more viable energy source. Could this be the breakthrough we need to transition to a cleaner future? Exploring distant exoplanets. Space exploration fans, this one's for you. NASA's Roman Space Telescope will soon feature a new coronagraph, a special tool designed to study distant exoplanets orbiting sun-like stars. The challenge has always been that these stars are much brighter than the planets, making observation difficult. The coronagraph uses masks and filters to block out starlight, allowing astronomers to study planets with conditions similar to Earth. Who knows, maybe we'll find signs of life out there. The revolutionary E-Rex engine. Let's shift gears to automotive technology. A startup has developed the E-Rex, a revolutionary two-stroke internal combustion engine. Unlike traditional engines, the E-Rex is oil-free and vibration-free, with a cylindrical design featuring 8 pistons. It's 22% more powerful and 60% more efficient than conventional engines. A prototype has already been tested on a Mazda MX-5 Miata, delivering impressive performance in a compact size. This could redefine the future of cars. Amphibious boats and unmanned systems. The U.S. Army is enhancing its capabilities with the Iguana Pro amphibious boats, capable of traveling on both land and water. These boats feature retractable tracks and can carry up to 2,645 LOBs, making them perfect for various missions. In addition, the Estonian company Robotics has developed an unmanned infantry system for dangerous tasks, like reconnaissance and cargo transport. These innovations are making military operations safer and more efficient. The future of air defense and more. In the realm of air defense, the UK has deployed the Radio Frequency Directed Energy Weapon, RFD, capable of shooting down drones and other targets using energy beams. This technology offers a cost-effective alternative to traditional missiles. Meanwhile, hybrid drones like the Rooster can operate without communication signals, switching seamlessly between air and ground modes. This makes them perfect for missions in challenging environments. Skydeck. Last but not least, let's talk about Skydeck, an entertainment device for airplanes that offers a 360-degree view of the sky. Passengers can sit in a sealed capsule on top of the aircraft, enjoying an unparalleled view of the world above. It's a unique experience that takes in-flight entertainment to the next level. Conclusion. And there you have it. Some of the most innovative and exciting inventions shaping our future. From medical advancements to sustainable energy and beyond, these technologies are paving the way for a better tomorrow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below about which invention you found the most fascinating. Stay tuned for more amazing content, and we'll see you in the next video.